What's going on, everybody? Jake Dalton, cage muscle athlete here, Olympic gymnast. We're gonna do a different type of circuit, actually in a different environment in my garage here. I have some lifting platform here and some weights, but it's gonna be a little more gymnastics specific. We're gonna switch it up in between static holds, some endurance training, some body weight training, so it should be pretty fun. We are gonna start with handstand push-ups. I'm gonna do 10 handstand push-ups, and if you can't do that, you can just do a handstand against the wall, just a static handstand, do about 30 seconds if you can't do 10 handstand push-ups. And then I'm gonna jump right into some V-ups. If you guys don't know what V-ups are, basically you lay on your back, you sit up, bring your legs up, and you bring your hands and your feet close together like a V, in a V position, and we're gonna do 20 of those. Next, I'm gonna do a static L hold. You'll see me here on the parallettes. You can do it on the floor, which will be really, really hard, or parallettes, basically wanting to keep your body in L position, keeping your feet up, staying static there for 30 seconds. Then we're gonna go to jump rope, knock out 30 jump ropes, and then we're gonna do a run around my block, my local block here, probably a little less than 400 meters, and so it should be pretty quick. We're gonna go through 5 times, so it should be pretty fun. So let's get after it. All right, guys, so I've had some time to kind of cool down after that. I love stretching out after a workout because it kind of kicks up that lactic acid and kind of flushes it out after you just worked out, so you don't get super sore. Just helps with recovery, things like that we used to do in gymnastics. I'm gonna go have myself a coffee latte protein because it is absolutely amazing. It's been one of my favorites, especially when it's a nice hot day. It's nice to go inside and have a little iced coffee that's pure protein. So looking forward to that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Try it out and let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.